Good morning. Assalamualaikum everyone. Can you hear me clearly and can you see the slide?
Yes, miss.
Okay, great. Today's class, I will just want you all to do the exercise. These questions from final exam January 2018 and next another slide is January 2019. Okay, if you have any questions later on, just turn on your mic because I want to go to slideshow. I cannot see the chat box. I will guide you on how to do it. Later, you must complete it as the proof of attendance. Okay. Now, this one, the question, it required you to determine the stoic air fuel mass ratio. For these types of fuel, you have butane, you have propanol, and you have a mixture of butane and propanol. Okay. When you have single fuel, it is easy for you to calculate. But if you have a mixture of fuel, so you need to know how to combine them. In order to find the stoic air fuel mass ratio, the AF. Okay, this one is the AF stoic. We know that the equation is this over molecular weight of fuel. Okay, now we know molecular weight of air, we know the molecular weight of F from the molecular equation here. You will need to find the A. The A is unknown. Okay, the A. So how can you calculate the A? Do you remember how can you calculate the A? This field, it has C and H. CX, HY. So how can you calculate the A? Check back the equation for CXHY. Okay, from there you can calculate the A. Once you get the A, then plug in into the equation. Then you get your AF start. Okay, straightforward. Same goes for propanol. Here the calculation of A is quite different because you have O over here, oxygen. So find out the A, then you find the AF start. Okay. Now for number 3 over here, the fuel is mixture, butane and propanol, where the mole fraction of propanol in the mixture is 0.78. Mole fraction. So butane, I will just put as B. Butane and propanol as the fuel. Okay, as a whole. Fuel plus this one, not this one. Okay, plus A O2 plus 3.76 into. Okay, then we should complete the rest. Okay, the H2, the CO2, and H2O, N2 as well. Okay, now we want to focus on the A. A, if your fuel CXHY like this, you can straight away use the equation. Okay, but now it is a mixture. Mole fraction of propanol is 0.78. So propanol is 0.78. Butanol should be how many?
Is it 0.22?
Yes, 1 minus 0.78 balance to 0.22. Okay, so you should combine the mixture 0.22 butanol plus 0.78 propanol. So this one is your fuel. From here, you can calculate the A. Okay, butanol, butane and propanol. So the mixture would have CH and O. Butane 0.22 multiplied by C4H10 plus 0.78 multiplied by C3H7OH. Okay, so from here, you calculate what is the total number of C, H, and O. Calculate and sum up all together, you will find the new molecular formula of the fuel in terms of CXHYOZ. Okay, once you get this, then only proceed to calculate the A. So once you get the A, plug in into the AF actual. AF start over here. After that, you will get your AF start. Okay, any question?
Miss, can you repeat the last one? How to get the new formula?
Okay, to get the new formula, you multiply with the mole fraction. From the statement over here, mole fraction of propanol is 0.78. Here is 0.22. So you multiply this into the chemical formula of each of the fuel. Then sum up, combine them as, okay, for example here, C4 multiplied by 0.22. So you will get a new amount of C. Okay, C from butane plus C from propanol. 0.78 multiplied by 3. So you will get the new number of carbon for propanol. Plus C4 multiplied by 0.22, you will get new number from butanol. Sum up together, you will get the final amount of C. Same goes for the H. Okay, similar step for the H and similar step for the O. Finally, you will get one final molecular formula for the mixed fuel. Okay. My point is now, what if we didn't get one? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now you can proceed with this question. January 2018. Later, I will explain on January 2019 also. This one we focus on A and B only. For C, we haven't touched this syllabus yet. Okay, for A and B only. C with KIV until we finish chapter 3. Now for this one, it asks you to, it gives you a natural gas fuel with this composition. 94 mole % of methane, 4 mole % of propane, and 2 more percent of isobutane. So it is also a mixture. It asks you to write out the complete stoichiometric combustion reaction for this fuel. So for A, you have a mixture. Methane plus propane plus isobutane. This is your fuel. Okay, plus A assume complete combustion. So this one will be y over 2. This one is x. Okay, so now, first part, you will need to find the molecular formula of the mixture in order for you to identify what is the A, the X, and the Y. Similar concept as previous slide. Find out what is the total number of C and H. In this natural gas, it only involves CH. So methane CH4, propane C3H8, isobutane C4H10. So it only involves CH. You find out what is the total number of carbon and total number of hydrogen for the mixture. Okay, once you get that, you can calculate the A, plug in into this, and write out the complete stoichiometric combustion reaction. Okay, so for B, AF stoichiometric. Okay, so A, you have obtained from first part over here, plug it into the info, plug it into this formula. Molecular weight, we know, 29. And molecular weight of the fuel is the mixture, the overall mixture. Okay, any questions?
No, miss.
Okay. Please screenshot this question because later I will end the session and I will let you do the exercise. Submit as proof of attendance. Okay, screenshot this January 2018 and January 2019. Okay, all screenshot of it. Any question before I end the session?
Do we submit through the chat?
Wait, I create a link because 14 of you, so it'll be a lot of message. Many message will come in. Wait, I create a link. The link, I have shared the link in the chat box. The link will be closed at 12:30. So make sure you submit before the class ends. This one will be considered as your attendance for today's class. Okay, any question before I end the session?
No questions, miss.
Okay, thanks Abdulkarim for responding. So the rest,
Miss,
yes.
Can I see the question?
The question,
The
2018. This one,
Yeah, wait, let me take a picture, miss.
okay.
All right, thank you, miss.
Okay, 2019, got it. Okay. Okay, so next week we will start chapter 3, which will involve a lot more of calculation. Okay, see you next week. Bye-bye.